Turn a light on in here.
It's nighttime and the end of another 12-hour shift for TJ Corella.
Let's see, there's a little bit of light.
Cozy quarters is how he likes to call it.
Nice solar generator down there for my electricity. I've got a fridge freezer here for my lunch and food.
For over a decade, TJ's been an emergency nurse at Stanford Hospital. When his shift is done, he still needs to be close by in case he gets called in for an emergency.
It's got the air mattress down here, and I stole my wife's nice throw blankets.
But his way of being close by involves sleeping in a van.
We're dealing with emergencies throughout the night. You know, we get woken up out of nowhere and we have to be here in 30 minutes.
Although he works at one of the most renowned hospitals in the country, there's one major thing he is lacking. But you can't afford to live in this area.
Absolutely not. No, absolutely not.
The cities surrounding the hospital are some of the most expensive in the country. Average home prices are more than $3 million, way out of TJ's and plenty of other nurses' pay scales.
How many would you say are sleeping in vans in between shifts?
I personally know probably at least 15 people that sleep in their vehicles, but there are definitely more than that.
Colleen Borges, the president of the Stanford Nurses Union, says this is a reality a lot of nurses deal with.
We do have nurses who fly in from out of state, work their, straight days and fly home. It is virtually impossible for a new nurse to purchase a home here in the Bay Area.
The union is working to get a new contract with the hospital. Stanford Health said in a statement, "We deeply value our nurses and are committed to reaching an agreement on a contract that recognizes their vital contributions to our healthcare system." They also mentioned the nurse retention rate exceeds national benchmarks. TJ doesn't think that retention rate will last.
In order for us to keep doing what we need to do, then there are some things that need to change.
But until then, this dorm room on wheels will have to do.
So,
In Palo Alto, Ryan Curry, KCRA 3 News.